Namaskar friends, welcome again to Live Indian Culture with Swasti. Today we are going to discuss about some remaining aspects of Mahashivratri. Earlier we had discussed a lot. शिव जी के बारे में हम क्या बातें करें, उनके बारे में जो भी बातें करें वो पर्याप्त नहीं है क्योंकि उनके आदि और अंत किसी को नहीं पता. फिर भी हम अपने प्रयत्न से उनके बारे में कुछ बातें करेंगे. महाशिवरात्रि falls on the चतुर्दशी तिथि कृष्ण पक्ष. It is called as the great night of Shiva in the month of Falguni or Magha. There is a story in the tribal community about Mahashivratri. चित्रभानु नाम का एक भील शिकारी था जो कि जाने अनजाने में महाशिवरात्रि व्रत का पालन कर लिया. He didn't do because of his passion, he did it because of situational dimensions. So इसका जो पुण्य है उसके बल से वो शिवलोक में स्थान पा गया. So this is the integrity of Mahashivratri. The energy level of Mahashivratri is extremely high, and for this reason there is a natural upsurge of energy in the human body. People of Odisha worship Mahashivratri and call this function as Jagara. Jagara means not to sleep in the night time, and this day they offer milk, they do fasting to worship the Lord Shiva. और यहाँ पे मध्य रात्रि को मंदिर के ऊपर दीप प्रज्वलित करते हैं. Because of that reason people usually don't sleep on this night. And unmarried girls, they worship the Lord to have an ideal husband like Lord Shiva. Shiva, who is the passionate lover and the ideal devoted husband of the universe. That's why girls often worship him to get a very good husband like Lord Shiva, जो कि सती माता के लिए एक बड़े वैरागी बन गए थे और उसके बाद उनका विवाह पार्वती माता से हुआ. This महाशिवरात्रि, the great and auspicious marriage of Lord Shiva and Adi Shakti happened. and इसके पीछे ये उद्देश्य था कि there was a demon called Tarkasur who had got a boon from gods that he will only be killed by Shiv Parvati's son, and he took the advantage of Shiv's yogic meditation because he was greatly devastated after Sati's self-emolution. And after this ताड़कासुर तीनों लोक में प्रलय मचा लिया. उसके बाद सारे सृष्टि ने शिव पार्वती विवाह के लिए बहुत सारी योजनाएं की और फाइनली कामदेव द्वारा शिव पार्वती का विवाह हुआ. There is a legendary episode which took place in the Vishnu Purana that when there was the churning of the cosmic milk ocean by the Mandara Parvat and the Bashukai Sharp as the churning rod and the churning rope, the halahal or the poison come out. At that moment, only Lord Shiva was the only one who could consume it and rescue the mankind from its harmful effect. So he consumed the poison. Because of that reason his neck turned into blue color, and that's why he is called as Nilkant. There is a great misconception about Lord Shiva that he consumes alcohol. Never ever he consumed alcohol or any types of drugs. He consumed the poison to save the humanity, to save the mankind, and also he consumes the darkness, the ignorance from us to ignite, to illuminate light, and to shower his divine grace and blessing to help us.
जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह.